Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Xfinity email keeps asking for password, keychain/token reset. To fix your Xfinity email from repeatedly asking for a password, first verify your login on the official Xfinity webmail portal. If it works there, you likely need to update your password in your device settings, enable third-party app access, or double-check your mail server configuration. Fix 1. Enable third-party access security. Log into the Xfinity webmail portal. Then click the gear or settings icon present in the top right corner. From there, go to Security on the left menu and check the box for third-party access security to allow external apps to connect. Fix 2. Update password on all devices. For Apple Mail, iOS/Mac, go to Settings, then go to Mail, in it go to Accounts. Now tap your Xfinity account and tap on Account and manually delete and re-enter your updated password. For other clients, Outlook/Android, go to Account Settings for incoming and outgoing servers and override the old saved password. Fix 3. Verify IMAP SMTP server settings. Incorrect server settings or security encryption can cause connection failures, resulting in the app repeatedly asking for a password. Double check your app setting against the standard Xfinity configuration. Incoming server IMAP, imap.comcast.net, port 993 security SSL/TLS. Outgoing servers SMTP, smtp.comcast.net, port 587 or 465. Security SSL/TLS or STARTTLS. Username, your full Xfinity email address. Example, name@comcast.net. Fix 4. Reset your password via the web. Go to Xfinity ID and security page to reset your password. Once confirmed, completely close and restart your email app and then enter the new password when prompted. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.